Okay, in this lecture we are going to watch decorator. Decorator can be used to send a function as an argument and it can return as a function. Okay, here I am just mentioning not a return a function value, it return as a function. We can able to return a complete function. The goal of decorator is one function can be used on another function. It is also called as high order function. Okay, first of all, declaring simple decorator. For the simple decorator, dev name that is equal to print print coder033. After that, dev output. Here I am just using the keyword func. Okay, func is a keyword. After that, print hello and welcome to function. I'm just calling a func function which will call the name function. Okay, print it's simple decorator. It's simple decorator. To call the name function, you need to pass name function as an argument. Okay, op is a function name and passing name as an argument. By passing name as argument, this func keyword will directly call the name function. Okay, and it will respond what are the element has been presented inside the name element. After that, it will back to the original function and print the rest of the statement. Okay, here running my file. Here you could see hello and welcome to Coder033. It is simple decorator. First it was printing hello and welcome to, then func, it was calling the function element, here name, then it was printing what are the element presented inside the name function Coder033, and finally it was printing its simple decorator. So this is how the decorator function will work. You can able to send you can able to send function as an argument. Okay, now decorator with return function. With return function, decorator with return function. Here def name 1 print coder033, print coder033. After that, def output 1 which function as an argument. Inside that original function I am declaring another function def hello. Okay, sorry, hello 1. Okay, hello 1 is a function name. Here print welcome to then I need to print and I need to call my function element. After that, printing its return decorator. It is return decorator. I need to return the function hello 1. After that, here calling my function name op1 to name 1. Then it was returning a function. You need to store the function element. Okay, to storing call equal to. So it was in the function element. So you need to call the function. Okay, call function. So this here I am just commenting this. You could see it was doing nothing because output 1, the value of output 1 is a function element. Here the function element is saved on the variable name call. After you calling the function only, it will print the rest of the element. Welcome to Coder033. It is a return decorator. Okay, it was returning a function and you may call whenever you want. Okay, decorator with return function. Now another method of initiating decorator. Okay, another method of initiating decorator, def output to passing function as argument. Here print def output to function as argument. Here another function hello2 is a function. Here same welcome to Coder033, taking function as argument. Okay, perfect. It is another method decorator, After that, returning my function, returning a function hello2, return hello2. Here you need to call the function, right? Before that, I am just using at output 2. After that, def name2. Here output 2 on the next line. Def name2 is a function. Inside that, printing Coder033. Coder033. And simply call the name element alone, name to function. Okay, so I'm just showing a complete function. Here output 2 is a function which holding function as an argument, def equal to function. Inside the function def hello2 welcome to. This function will call the name2 by using an at output 2. Okay, on previous method we just call the main function, on here we are calling a sub function. Okay, let's check whether it was running or not. Welcome to Coder033. It's another method of decorator. It was working perfectly fine. This is how you can use decorator as another method. Okay, now passing an argument in decorator. Argument in decorator. Okay, for passing def output 3 is a function. Def output 3 is a function which hold function keyword name def hello 3 is a function, and here taking input argument. After that, print welcome comma arg. After that, passing function argument element. Okay, function argument element. Here returning hello3 statement. Okay, hello3 function, return hello3. Okay, now at output 3 def name3 is a function. Name3 is a function which was passing an input argument. Here print hello comma arg. Okay, here on the name3 I am just passing an argument Naren. Okay, passing an argument Naren. This is the complete function. here on the hello3 it was taking an input argument. On the function argument I'm just passing a value to the subfunction. On the subfunction there is a printing statement based on that argument. Running my file. Here name equal to Naren, name takes 0 position argument but 1 was given, so there is an error. Where is an error? Here I'm just simply declared name 3. Okay, the function name is name 3. Now running my file. Welcome Naren, hello Naren. So it was working perfectly fine. This is how you pass an argument between one function to another function. Okay, finally multiple decorator. Okay, on the multiple decorator, def1 is a function which take function keyword. After that def a function, here print first, then calling a function. After that print end. Okay, print first and end statement. Here I need to return a. After that def2 is a function as an argument. So function keyword def_b is a function. Print second. After that calling a function and returning b. Okay, returning b. And finally at 1 at 2. So 2 argument means 2 function. Here the third function is def3 is a function. Inside the function print 3. Okay, now calling the third function. Now calling the 3 function. So this is how the function look like. Okay, so I'm just minimizing. You could see a complete function. Def1 taking function as an input argument. Here calling the function. This function what will do means go back to here, and here it will see the second function and go here and print second, then come back to here. Here you could see the third function, it will print 3 and go back to the first statement and print the ending element. Okay, now running my file, python app.py. So I need to save my file and running my file. First, second, third and end. Okay, the first element, then second element, third element and finally the end element. Okay, let's summary. Decorator can be used to send function as an argument. Okay, function as an argument, and it can return a function. Okay, it can able to return a function. The goal of decorator is one function can be used on another function. Okay, this is one function, this is another function. It is also called as a higher order function, declaring a simple decorator. Here function as an input argument, then here the return function element. And another method of initiating decorator, here you need to call the subclass. Okay, and don't forget to put the main class. Before the main class put at. Okay, then passing an argument, then finally multiple decorator. So this is how you can able to use decorator in Python. On next lecture we are going to watch iterator.